This is a tutorial for SGD 151, Intro to Programming. This is from Chapter 13, Exercise number 22, and it's a simple program that inputs three pieces of information, city, state, and zip, and then outputs them as one string. I've already started a program or an application here, and notice that I have input IOStream, and I've also included the string header file. I've created three variables, city, state, and zip, and I've also already created our system pause and return. Notice I've used a void main. We don't need to return a function to the operating system. The first thing we need to do is to create our priming read. So we just need to do a cout and ask for the city, X to end. And then we use getLine from our keyboard and grab the city variable. Now we're going to do a while. Since the program wants us to check a sentinel value, this is probably the best way to do that. So I'm going to do while city does not equal string capx or and it doesn't equal lowercase x as a string, then we'll simply keep going. First thing we need to do is ask for the state. If we get to this part, we know we have to collect three pieces of data. And we'll use getLine again. Cn state. And then we want to output our last prompt, which will be for zip code. And then we're going to output using concatenation. So we're going to do cout city plus comma space plus state plus space plus zip. Oh, and then we need a couple of indels just to make things a little neater. And then we need to do our priming reads for our while loop again. So basically we're just going to copy this stuff right here. And that's all there is to that. So I'm going to just put a little comment here and while. Oops. And then that's it. Okay, so let's save it and do a build. Successful, so then we'll simply run this. And I'll just put my hometown right now is Apex, North Carolina, 27502. And it outputs that. And if I type in an X, that's all she wrote. So that worked just fine. So this has been exercise chapter 13, number 22, demonstrating how to use the getLine function to input text strings. This has been Mike Shore from Peace University.